Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me, and for the new subscribers, welcome to the family. Guys, I just want to remind you, if you have not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button down there. It really supports me and it keeps me motivated to keep pushing this content. It's a way for you to show me that you appreciate what I'm pushing and that you're supporting me. All right. And also don't forget to hit the like button, share the content with your loved ones so that they can also get to see what I am doing. And yes, let's just grow this family. Let's go grow this DIY family. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to do a video on, I'm going to show you guys something that I did. Funny story. This is a sunburst mirror. It's a mirror decor thing that I get to do using skewers and a mirror. It's wall decoration, a mirror wall decoration. And I kid you not, the first time that I thought I could actually do things myself was from a Pinterest video that I saw of something like this 4 years ago. Yes, 4 years ago. I saw it and I thought, oh my word. And it was just pictures. It wasn't even a video back then. And I thought, this looks so easy. I think I can do this. 4 years later, I still had not done it. I am proud and pleased and so to say that I've finally done it. I did this for my parents. It's gonna be a parents' room makeover. This is not gonna be the whole room. I'm gonna show you guys how it looked before, but this is only part one of the makeover, doing the wall decoration. So please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the content because I really enjoyed doing this. And I had my wonderful brother, as usual, helping me with this. Little bro, you are the shiznisi. All right. Love you to the moon and right back. Guys, I hope you enjoy this content. This is the before of the room. Excuse not having curtains. We've already taken them down to start the makeover part of things. So it's a half oval room, and the idea for this particular video is to work on the wall where the bed is leaning against. So that would be where you would have a headboard. So instead of having a headboard, I'm thinking of painting that wall, making an accent wall. So we are gonna paint that. It's a bluish color. I need to find the right name and I will actually write it down. It's gonna be a deep blue, lighter than that, but more in with that inspired all along there. And on the side here, I would want to have white chest of drawers. No, it's not just of drawers. White drawers to pop against that wall, and then the artwork when we work on the sunburst mirrors there'll be three on the wall there, gold ones popping. In future we're gonna make this pure white, this oval part, and then there I'll put an artwork and have two armrest chairs with like a little table where they can maybe sit and chat. What do parents do in their bedroom, guys? So that's the idea. But for this video, all we're going to be working on is that accent wall there. It's going to be an accent wall in a deep blue color. All right. So to do our sunburst project, sunburst mirror, this is the things that I'm going to be using: a mirror, skewers, and a hot glue gun. And of course we need the glue. Guys, this is a fairly simple project, but what I'm going to say is, to begin with, start with putting a skewer, and then using the one that you have just put, go to the a mirror or a round mirror would not have corners, but I do the four polar sides, opposite sides, and I put my skewers, and then after that I go in between each of the ones that are there and start putting there. That way you sort of like give yourself some sort of symmetry so that at the end all your skewers are symmetrical. I hope that makes sense. It makes so much sense in my head, but you guys get the idea. So I will leave you to see how it plays along in fast forward mode. All right. So this is how it's looking towards the end, and what I'm doing here is taking masking tape because and covering the mirror part of the decor, the sunburst mirror, so that I can go and spray paint. So this is just simply putting masking tape. Now you can see all three here, and I'm just going around and spray painting the skewers. And this is how they look once they're done. I think you can't really see the gold against that dark wood there, but it will pop way better on the darker surface. Guys, I didn't show us painting this wall, but this is the color that we went for. You can see how it's popping against that white there. And to put the mirrors, we had to decide how we wanted to put them. One alternative was to go three going straight across in a straight line, and the other alternative was this one here where we have one down and two up, or one up and two down, and we ended up taking this alternative of having two up and one slightly down, and I love how this looks. I love how this looks. So as you can see, this is a fairly simple project. I love how it looks. I'm not going to show you guys how the room feels because this is just one part of the whole makeover. So we've done the sunburst mirrors. They're looking gorgeous, and they were fairly simple. This was a simple project, and there we go. Hope you enjoy.